Happy New Year 2025. I sincerely hope your new year has started out well. I want to take just a moment and share my writing journey. I began on September 2nd, 2011, and I remember it well. I've continued to this day, and I've enjoyed every aspect of writing. Mostly I write short stories, devotionals, prayers. This is a self-help book about sleep. I also wrote a book containing some of my personal testimonies in God is Not Silent. I like to share personal stories. I also wanted to write a fictional series, and this is the first book. The series is called The Old Woman. It contains 4 books, as I said. It turns out it is one of my most popular sales. People seem to like this series, and I enjoyed writing it and fell in love with my character, Rose. My first book, Mornings on the Porch, is also one of my top sellers. I don't know if it's so much because of my writing, but because of the stories. This is a prayer book, just daily prayers, short prayers, simple prayers from the heart. I decided at one point I wanted to combine some nonfiction stories from different books, and that's what the collection is. This is just an example of all 4 books in The Old Woman. While I do not like snakes, I ran across a snake, still living but barely, one day, and I wanted to write a story about that snake. I also wanted to write a short story about Linda's morning. Linda's a fictional character, but we might relate to her. My latest book was In the Dark, about my reflections on my son's 20-year addiction and then recovery. These are my books, and I'd love to share them with you. You can find them on Amazon and many other online stores. You can also find them at my website, nancykuykendall.com. I would love for you to visit.